welcome back to Salkeld's Adventures. Today we're back in the Lake District, this time climbing England's third highest mountain, Helvellyn. Claiming the #1 spot in Britain's most favourite walks, this was Wainwright number 56 for Tony and I and 36 for our son AJ.
We made the executive decision to climb Helvellyn from Thirlmere due to Bex being afraid of heights and the drama Striding Edge would have caused her. It was a late start as we didn't arrive until 3 p.m. Parking at Swills car park, it was an easy, well-marked route to begin at the base of a very steep elevation. Hello folks, Helvellyn, 2 miles to the summit. So it's a late one today. Didn't actually get here till 3 p.m. About an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to the summit. And then maybe it's an hour back down, depending. Start to see Thirlmere now. Raven Crag over there. In the distance, you can make out the zigzag path leading up the Skiddaw. So like I said earlier, it's a late one today. Didn't get here till 3 p.m. Sometimes I prefer to get here a bit later. You miss all the crowds at the top. Nice start to the walk this. I'll probably be jumping in there when I come back down. Views already. Start getting the steep here now. That's it, the layers off. Sweating now. Just waiting for these 2 snow crunches to catch us up. So guys, we're about just over half a mile into it. That'll probably be about the mile mark there on that ridge. Just over a mile left to go now. Views are already fantastic. Can't wait to see what it's like at the top. Halfway point now. Just another mile to go. This is the steepest point now. Got some good height. You okay?
Yes.
Just under a mile left to go. All the Thirlmere. Passing through it in the distance. Beyond that, we've got Scotland. Skiddaw massive. Car park just on the bottom there though. Just over a mile away that. Nearly there. Well, still 0.8 miles like, but so you can see the sea in that direction now as well. Bex is on a mission now. Definitely starting to open up now. You can see around all almost 360 degrees. This is better. Makes a good change of those bloody rocks climbing up. So, not far to go now. Actually flat. Wow. This is Universe 2024. Almost there guys. 0.5 miles to the summit. There we are, summit in sight. Age is 36, now we're 56th. Very good. There it is, buddy, look. Slap that summit. Well done. Bush. Helvellyn. There we go, this is for Butchie Boys Adventures. Having a beer while we're here.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate. So there you got Swirl Edge, leading down to Red Tarn, Striding Edge on the other side. So Bex and AJ have headed back down. There we are, I've got Helvellyn all to myself. Look at that. Like I said earlier, this is why I like setting off a bit later. As you get here, I was already been up in the morning, early afternoon, done the thing, get back home. I'm up here now, got the soul in sight. There's the trig, the Helvellyn, the whole place to myself. For me, nothing compares to the raw emotion you feel after climbing a mountain, especially with your loved ones, and the great sense of achievement. You only get one shot at life, so make the most of every precious moment. Cheers!
As always, thanks for watching, and please take the time to like, comment and hit that subscribe button.